My favorite spacers are nuts. Fine threads have a bigger hole than coarse thread. So you get a 3/8 coarse thread nut is a spacer. 7/16 tall or 3/8, depending on how thick the nut is. You get everything you need. Yeah. Washer. I need a better washer now. Nut. Yep, perfect length. Almost like I knew what I was doing there. Clumsy mess. Tighten that down. You got the jam nut on the other side. You have no access to get to. Okay, tight. Acorn nuts I don't like. Okay. Tighten the jam nut. Okay, everything's tight. And it has no trouble. Jeez, that is very limited travel there. It's because the washer is limiting the travel. Well, it should be okay. She doesn't let it go very far, see? It doesn't need to move because I got it pretty much straight, so it doesn't have to tilt very much anyway. So that's threaded the lever, and then we got it jammed on the back. We got it moved out, so now it's more straight. This side here is good. Pedals up a little bit here. It doesn't hit the footboard anymore. That's good. Should still be able to get my foot under that, I would hope. Still got a lot of flippy-flappy crap going on, but at least this joint's not going back and forth 1/8 of an inch on top of it. It's a lot better than it was. Okay, I think I'm in neutral, but we'll run it through the shift pattern and make sure it works good. Just to make sure it works. Yep, it goes all the way down. Should check the air on the tire, make sure it has enough in it. I don't trust my gauge very much, but we'll see. I think it's got like 5 pounds in it. That's why you check your tires. Can't see it back there, doesn't mean it's good. It wasn't. Alright. 28 or 6 or 7 or 30, somewhere in that area. Give or take a little bit. I'm surprised that thing was empty. Wonder how long it's been empty. See if we got a slow leak in it, or I was riding around 5 pounds air in it. Knowing this thing, I'd probably ride around 5 pounds air on it. Alright. It's got weights on it, they're going to like that. Chain was lubed once. Probably wouldn't hurt to put some more lube on it. Problem's getting lube into it. Got no access. Alright, I'm going to attempt to lube my chain. Get some lube right here. Yeah, we'll use this one here. Or we'll use this one here. I think that one's more empty. Obviously, I couldn't find a can, so I'll get another one. #1 choice. #1 rated. Alright, good. I like #1. Alright, I'm going to lube this thing up somehow. It's kind of buried. We'll be back.